Add and subtract several numbers. Example 1. A welder is building a fence around a lot that is 92.5 feet by 36 feet. What is the total length of fence needed to enclose the whole lot? So for this, we're going to need to add 4 numbers together because we have a fence around a lot that is a rectangle. So 92.5 by 36 feet. So that means we're going to need to add all these numbers together. So we lined up our place values. We're going to add decimals, and then we're going to add zeros. Really just when you need just the one. Now we need to add starting on the right. 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 0 is also just 10. So it's a 0. We're going to carry the 1. And we're going to bring down that decimal straight down. Now 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 2 is 5, plus 6 is 11, plus another 6 is 17. So we're going to place a 7 below, carry the 1 to the 10 spot, as we have a whole 10. So 1 plus 9 is 10, plus 9 is 19, plus 3 is 22, plus another 3 is 25. So the total fence around this lot would be 257 feet. Let's do another example. Example 2. Find the total weight of 3 separate pieces of steel. We have 10.19, 25.3125, and 4.25 pounds. So let's add them all together. We're going to place the 25 on the top. We'll add 2 zeros on both those numbers in order to have the same amount of decimals places after the decimal. Now we start on the far right and start adding. 5 plus 0 is 5. 2 plus 0 is 2. 1 plus 9 is 10, plus 5 is 15. So put a 5 below. We're going to carry a 1. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 1 is 5, plus 2 is 7. Bring that decimal down. 5 plus 0 plus 4 is 9, and 2 plus 1 is 3. So we have 39.7525 pounds. Let's do one last example. Example 3. Solve for the following. We have 458 minus 29 minus 33. So how we can do this is we can go 458 and subtract 29 from it first. Now 8 minus 9 can't be done, so we're going to need to borrow from this 5, so this becomes a 4, and now this becomes 18, as we added 10 whole ones to the 1 spot. So 10 plus 8 is 18. So 18 minus 9 is 9. 4 minus 2 is 2, and we're just going to go ahead and bring down that 4. So we've dealt with this. So we're just going to underline it to show that we've dealt with it. And we're going to go 429 minus 33. Now, 9 minus 3 is 6. 2 minus 3 can't be done, so we need to borrow from this 4, which then becomes 3. And this will then become a 12. So 12 minus 3 is 9, and then we just bring down that 3. So our new number, when we do 458 minus 29 minus 33, is 396.